Meaning of drumlin.
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 drumlin,
Drumlin. A drumlin is a smooth, elongated hill formed by glacial ice moving over the landscape. These hills typically have a steep side that faces the direction from which the glacier came, and a more gradual slope on the other side. Drumlins can range in size from a few meters to several kilometers long and are often found in groups called drumlin fields. The formation of drumlins is still not fully understood, but they are believed to result from a combination of erosion and deposition processes during glaciation.